Hello everyone. Today we're back at Wolverton because it's a 200 subscriber special because we now have 210. 12 actually. Quite a lot, isn't it? Anyways, we have a train for 12:09 which should be here in 8, 9, 3 minutes. So I've got to be quick and get down to the platform. Oopsie daisies. It's really awkward because there's loads of people here today and I feel really awkward. Right, here we go. Here we are. Bada bing, bada boom. Just in case it just flies by. Ooh. Here we go. Boom. Okay, here's one. It's not the 12:09. It's A train. Again, the lean. Yeah, this is not the West Midlands. And yeah. See, I'm trying to find the fancy West Coast, so that's the West Midlands. That's the North Western. Not LNER. LNER's London North Eastern Rail. Anyways, and I am going to be all looking for this class 66. When we do about like a few other series of this, I was going to I was going to add like a 66 trend group together, like all of the 66 shots in one video. So that'd be cool. My weird noises. I always see this train. Go back onto Birmingham New Street vlog. Watch that video and you'll see this exact train. I see it everywhere. Now it's gone. Right, so it's now 12:09. So maybe that is the 12:09, I don't know. Pretty sure it's not though, it's not the West Midlands. Here it is! Told ya! Exactly on time as well, 12:09. Wow, and there's the 350. Wow. Try to get the channel up to 250 before Christmas. I'm pushing it. I know I am, but I am trying, get up there with, I don't know who's up there actually. What's his name, Mr. Beast? I don't know. I don't watch YouTube that much, to be honest. Anyways, I thought I'd just film a nice little walk again. So Wolverton's quite a historic place. Oh, another 350. We've got a train in about a minute. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful 350s. Train to Mod 4 should have a 350. Oh my god. Yes, Train to Mod 4. You're not watching this, but if you were, anyone that knows someone from Dovetails Games, tell them to put this in Train to Mod 4 and I'd buy it and I'd like buy a headset as well and just make a full video out of it. Like, please. Even though I don't have Train to Mod 4 yet, so, Oh well, see you guys later. There we go, 350. Okay, that was actually quite a big delay. It said 12:12 and now it's Actually 12:14, so there's a bit of a delay there. But, you know, who cares? Don't know what line to stay behind, because there's two. You've got the white one and that one, so I'm just going to stay behind the white one. Probably because these platforms 1 and 2 have just got the fast passing services nowadays. Which is fun. I want to see more. Hello. I don't know what that is. It looks like an old camera lag. What happens when I zoom in and out? Don't know why. And there's old Wolverton Works. I think that burnt down like a million times. I think I've already said that in my last Wolverton video, so don't need to say that again. Yeah. Oh no, we're looking for the next train now. There's an Emirates plane. Where is it? I hope I'm getting it. I don't know if I am, really. It's there somewhere, guys. It's really hard filming this guy. But that looks like an 8. Oh! Here we go! I don't know much about the A380s. I don't know if they're still in use or anything. But yeah, I did my hair, by the way. How do you like it? Rate it out of 10 in the comments. Yeah, it's been styled, so it's still not grown fully. So, you know, you might have thought, why is that hair so ugly? Like it's 20. So, you know, Hero's plane still bloody there. So it just crashes into the railway. Walk with me. I have a feeling no one's going to watch this, so tell your friends and family about my channel, because, you know, I'm always family friendly. Just don't go back to one video. Yeah, right. So you might have seen one of these guys on my channel before, in the video Amugus, whatever I called it, I don't know. When my channel wasn't very organised. But then, yeah, just him, the guy that was in it, he's no longer a cool guy. So, you know, yeah. Yeah, he's not a nice guy. But where's the Emirates plane? It was going really, really slow. Oh, there it is. Oh god, I thought I was going to fall on the track then. Oh, it's gone now. Literally, about to show you it. But no, it was right there, fiddly-dee, but it just went over the trees. Anyway, see when the next train comes. Here's the 12:21. That was some floor rumble then. 12:21 that arrived at 12:20. I was just literally looking at it. It said 12:21, and then I just heard it coming. So, and it's still 12:20. Just early. No more commentary now from me. So, toodles. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video now, and just enjoy the train clips. And it's a class 350 at speed. Never seen that up close. No more commentary, but I just need to tell you this one thing. At 12:23, we get to see Voyager. I feel so awkward. Anyways, now I can say enjoy the video. So we got a Voyager, yay! There we go. Finally, another train. For the poor old passengers on platform 4. old livery at the front and new livery at the... Old livery at the front, new livery at the back. Something interesting. Here we go. Voyager! Here we go. Old livery. I do like the old livery because it's got the yellow at the front. And there's the old livery for the London North Western Railway.